I've actually worked here for nearly 12 years. Came here from my SBR rotation in Cambridge, and I've been here ever since. If you have ideas, if you want to innovate, if you want to do things, you can do them here. And as long as you're passionate about it and you have the energy to do it, you will find that people will support your activities. And whether that's in terms of clinical stuff, whether it's in terms of developing new services in respiratory medicine, which we've done lots of, whether it's in terms of developing things in terms of education, whether it's things in terms of research, or even whether it's things in terms of management, what you have, I've always found in Bangor, is very receptive and enthusiastic people to work with. I think that's fairly unique and something that's very precious if you can have that. We pride ourselves in Bangor of being a really friendly hospital and really open to support doctors coming in. Obviously, doctors coming to Bangor can come from all over Wales, they can come from all over the UK, they can come from all over the world. And we see ourselves, no matter where you're from, once you get here, there's those that are born here, there's those that are drawn here, but all of us call it home. That's what I like to say. And we pride ourselves that it doesn't matter where you're from, we will back you, we will support you, we will think about what your training goals are, what your career goals are, and we will do our best to support those. And that's very, very different. So for some, that's just getting the top end of their specialist registrar training, and we'll do our best to support that. For others, it's the first time they've ever worked in the UK, and we have a long track record as a gateway hospital of supporting doctors from overseas and making sure that they get the support and encouragement required during that transition period. But we also make sure that those doctors who have worked within Wales, who are coming up from Cardiff or wherever for a new place to stay, we give them the support, and we have a good track record with that. We work hard on our induction. We're the only place, I think, one of the only places in Wales that has an e-induction, so we try and do as much of that before you get here. In foundation, obviously, we have the sailing and other outdoors activities as part of the induction, which is quite unique to us in Bangor. So we try and be receptive, and we really try and support that first period of coming over here.